What's good, YouTubers? This your boy Beezy, and today, I just got from work, and guess what? I finally got those headlights for the 94 for Escort. Yes, sir. All right. So these are the headlights right here. I need to get something to do some quick unboxing. Oh, so this is how the headlights come. All right, so let's get some so we can go ahead and open this up. So these are how the old ones are shot. See that? Yeah, broke. Some bull crap, right? I just hope they didn't mess up my HIDs. Yeah, this one got this holding on by zip tie, zippy. If you ain't got your shit holding on with a zip tie, you're not JDM. All right, so as you see, the front end, you know, we gotta have this unboxing right here. Yes, sir. Shout out to the unboxing knife. Yeah, see that? Christmas time in the summer. Nah, you want to turn the other way. Right. Gonna unbox this bad boy. Shit. Excuse my language, YouTube. Let's see how these new ones look. Oh God. Oh God, we in there. And they come with light bulb all in it. Yes, sir. We in there. Crystal clear. Oh yes. Plastic. It's all good. I wasn't expecting to be glass anyway. So that's one unboxed. And I think that's what, the right one? Yep, right. So, we'll unbox this left one. Unboxing. Shout out to the unboxing knife. Alright. So, this is, hold on. This is the left one. So we Gucci on the left one. We're gonna put the unboxing knife up. Hold on. Put the unboxing knife up. And we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna skip back to the video. Mama, I don't know what mama at. Wait, you know. And guess what? I haven't got all screwed in yet, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we in there. All right. So we need the nut for the top. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna screw these nuts. Screw that right in. Alright, so we got 2 screws on the side here to put on there. I know. One more screw.
It's a wrap. Look. I don't even smoke it, but I'ma sell it. Nope. I don't smoke no more. Nah, fuck you. I ain't smoking no more. I quit that shit. One time we went to that shit done.
Alright, hold on. So I gotta get this screw down in here in order for me to get this screw in here. I had to push the cap back real quick.
Can I get my scooter?
5 minutes later.
Alright, sir.
Come here. Stop playing with that scooter. You hear me?
Even his back tie's flat too.
I know it's flat.
No, I'm talking about just one.
Outside, you know, I just got off work. Back at the backyard.
Screw having technical difficulties here. Alright. So, for some reason, guys, it's not really too much lining up in this area. I guess the plastic got to be stretched a little. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm not gonna say I'm Mr. Mr. Amazing or nothing like that, but I know the screw is supposed to go in. And by the way, guys, I got these lights off eBay. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you guys, just in case, you know, somebody needs some fresh headlights. Finally got the screw in.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time, Carl.
Shout out for taking my time to get the screw in. Rah. Alright, so screwing the right in. That's what she said. Keep screwing me. Alright. Alright, so that's in there. Alright, so that light is in there. Headlight is in there. I guess it'll be the way how to adjust the light. So adjust it down. Screw this down. Tighten it down. Yes, sir. It's in there. So let's tighten this down. Alright, so now that that's tightened. Alright. Alright, you guys. Alright. Alright, so. Alright, guys, I'm going to show you how to fit the light on, I guess. How it just falls in place. So, first off, what you want to do, because I don't have the OEM light bulbs in here, I'm going to take that off. After you take that off, you want to take the light bulb out. Nice light bulb, huh? Anybody need some whites? Alright, so after we take that off, guys, so we want to put the HID in here first. Alright, so we want to get the HID in there. So in order for us to get the HID in there, guys, what I'm going to have to do is we're going to fast forward. And I snap my fingers, it'll be in there. Just know that the HID just fits right in. Give me 1 minute, guys. It's not there yet. It's not there yet. Come on. Poof. Magic. Voila. It's not completely on. We have one more nut, bolt to put on. This is top nut here, guys. Make sure you get this top nut on, guys. Helps hold the light in place. Don't forget it. All right. Top nut, guys. Two sides on. Side nuts. This needs another side nut, but I had to put that on when I find another one. Because both of these sides was missing one when I first got the car, so I guess somebody tried to. Alright, everything is tightened down. Alright, so now guys, what we need is the side markers. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put these side markers on. Yeah, a little dingy. I blacked them out a little bit though. A little smoke gray. Don't hurt nobody. Alright, so what we gotta do to get these side markers on is basically we gotta line it up with the grooves, as you guys see. So once we get these lined up with the grooves, then you twist it. But we're gonna fast forward to the next part. What we got going on here. Alright guys, you know I was talking about the screw. There's one screw, two, I haven't screwed it in. I'm gonna show you guys what this nifty little screwdriver will do. I love this thing. You guys see that? Yes sir. Alright, so it's just another way to be lazy, I should say. Alright, so we're gonna do this. So the camera focus. Alright, there we go. That's right guys, go get you one of these. Go get you one. If you want to be lazy like me, you gotta get you one. You gotta be a lazy bum. Alright. That looks pretty dope compared to how the light looked at first. Don't worry about my ugly dent. Somebody fucking hit my car with their door. Because this car was in mint condition and have no dents at all. Even the hood was not bent. The hood, I took my car to go get emissions, and this guy left my hood open, and I didn't know until I pulled off. Cause you couldn't see it; it was all the way down. So I pulled off, and the hood flew back, bust my windshield. I was mad. Thank the Lord that Pull Apart has windshields for this car. So you know, if it had been even probably older, Pull Apart would have said, "No, we did away with your car a long time ago, son." But yeah, back into these headlights though, and the side markers. So we got the second one here, and this is the driver's side. It's basically the same thing as I showed you on the other side. It's basically what it is. You know, it got the hook, and then you got where it just fasten in and light. So we're gonna fast forward this part because I really don't want to see this part. All right, you guys, just like the same side. I mean, well, the right side. I'm gonna take my little nifty screwdriver here. Remember, this is Black & Decker, baby.
Hey, come here real quick.
Boom. That's all we need.
Down.
All right. All right, baby. That's all we need there. All right, guys. For the moment of truth.
Like that when I saw it.
For the moment of truth, guys. Let's see.
And then take it out. And then I got on it.
That's right, guys.
No, I
We're
was
in there.
on it and then I tested it out and then it came like that. That's how it came.
Need another light bulb for this side. Light bulb for this side. Guess I just rolled that light bulb. But there you go, guys. Video on how to change your 94 Ford Escort headlights in under maybe that's for like 30 seconds. These are the busted ones. Had to change them. Got the new headlights from Auto Eagle. Remember that name, guys. This your boy Beezy. And like I always say in my videos, stay tuned for the rest of the cutthroat muscle. I'm gonna have excuse me, guys. We're gonna have car meet come up very soon. And that's it, guys, for this video. Peace.